A magnitude 3.6 earthquake occurred. Oaxaca, Mexico. 1 kilometer NNE of San Jose del Progreso, Mexico, or 148 kilometers SSW of Oaxaca, Mexico. On Saturday, the 7th of June 2025, at 3 hours 44 minutes and 41 seconds local time. The quake had a depth of 1 kilometer and was not felt, or at least not reported so. Data source from EMSC. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.